Comet self-hosted solution is the ideal choice for organizations who've got more complex requirements, whether that's security or scale. If you want to manage your backup infrastructure in-house, you can do that with Comet Backup. Self-hosting Comet gives you enterprise-level control over your backups with the ability to host your own backup solution on your own hardware. It's scalable for resellers and distributors and is fully rebrandable to suit your needs. Self-hosting Comet unlocks the full potential of flexible storage options, both on-prem and direct to cloud. So if you have some more sophisticated or complex backup needs, then self-hosting Comet might just be the right solution for you. To discuss in further detail, just go to cometbackup.com and click on the big red Speak to Sales button.